gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found my channel. I like to do fashion and craft DIYs, as well as share my shoe collection, shopping hauls, and subscription boxes with you. If any of that is of interest, please consider hitting that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. Alright guys, in today's video, I have for you one of my absolutely favorite subscription boxes, the Heroes Tower. So this one was already at the very top of my list before the owner threw in this craft challenge. So now with the craft challenge, this one is always at the tippy top of my list because I'm a crafter. He's a crafter. I respect his work. He respects mine. We just have this really fun challenge going on. So I have the results of the craft challenge from last month, as well as what the craft challenge will be for this month. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay guys, for those of you who are not familiar with the Heroes Tower, it is a Geeky subscription box that you can find on Cratejoy. They have a plethora of options on Cratejoy, so I highly suggest that you check out and see what options they have available. And this box is very customizable, so if you don't see something that you like, reach out to the owner and see if it's possible for him to create a box like that for you, because I've had him customize a couple of boxes for me, and this box that I get each and every single month is one that is catered towards the things that I like, so you could also cater yours towards the things that you like. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump into what we got this month. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is my actual subscription box. Let's go ahead and see what we have inside here. Great pink, beautiful paper. And then we have a layer of, I don't want to lose anything here, of bubble wrap as well to protect it, okay? So I'm going to unwrap all this stuff. Yes, please. Oh, you guys, I see what's on top right away, but I don't want to show you guys yet. I kind of want to save it as a suspenseful kind of thing. So we'll jump into some of this other stuff, but that is awesome. Okay, so we're going to jump into this first. This looks like it's a lanyard, and it is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Sorry. Oh, I love this ribbon. Look at that, guys. Yay! How fun is that? Now, I really don't wear lanyards very often, guys, but this is really cool. And there's always other options you can do for these. Like, I could totally take this strap and make it a purse strap or something like that. But honestly, I really like this. I don't want to touch it. I think this is awesome. I'm super stoked. So that's the first item. Okay, here we have, ooh, a Justice League sticker book. Check that out. Oh, that's so awesome, guys, because I just used a lot of my Justice League stickers on some other projects. Oh, these are awesome. Oh, yes. They're like, oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Look, these are going to be so great for some projects. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Look at that Batman. That is awesome. Man, I wish I would have had him when I did my shoes, right? Oh, yes. And then we have an awesome Wonder Woman. I'm sorry. For most of you who aren't interested in this kind of stuff, you can just fast forward. But I think this is super cool. I'm really stoked about it. Dropped it, but you guys already seen it. Okay, so this is, ooh, more stickers. Hello, my name is Stickers Auto Colons. I don't know, but it's Spider-Man. So we're going to check out what this all is. I'm going to go ahead and swipe this way. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Ideas are just popping into my head. I kid you not. Wow, these are so fun. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yes. I need to do some Spider-Man shoes anyway. So this, you never know, guys. You might see this very soon. Because I'm thinking, I've been brainstorming on some Spider-Man stuff, but I don't know. Ooh, we got a Supergirl postcard. That is super fun. Check that out. Look at that. It's like a postage stamp one. That is super cool. I am totally digging this Supergirl postcard. Awesome. Ooh, wow. It's a frame. Oh my gosh, you guys. And it's got a magnet on it. Look at that. It's a Wonder Woman frame with a magnet. What? So I could put a picture of me and my son on my fridge. There's a magnet on the back of it, guys. Oh, stop it. That is so awesome. That is so cool. Yeah, this is definitely going up on the fridge. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, now. This is fun. So this is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And they are, what you call those things? Oh, you guys know. Switch covers, light switch covers. Look at that. So I do have a couple that he did. I think they were Wonder Woman, which are awesome. I do have those. I don't have to take pictures of this stuff at some point. But anyways, I always have use for this kind of stuff, guys. This stuff is awesome. So he has this one and also this one because, you know, there's different light switches. So, you know, I think I actually have both types in my house. So I definitely can find a place for these. That is so awesome. And this is a handmade item, guys. I meant to point that out. The lanyard was also handmade. I like to point out the handmade items because they... Oh, I don't have one like this now. Hey, look! You can complete your look by using for the plugs. I don't know what you guys call those things. But anyways, it's like an outlet cover. There you go. For the ones that have the plugs. This is cool. Okay, this is really cool. I don't have one like this from him. This is a great idea. I love this. Oh, that is so fun. All Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. You guys are probably like, that's not a big deal. It is to me. Look, it's a Batman pin. How fun is that, guys? Oh my gosh. I got to do another Batman look and use this pin. I love it. Was not a pin person until I started getting the Cal Al Fandom Monthly. Love that subscription, and I get a pin with every single box, and I'm loving it. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, my gosh. This is so fun. So it's Super Mario Brother iron-on patch. This is so fun. What am I going to put it on, though, guys? I got to think of some really cute outfit that I can make with this. I mean, I could put it on a purse or something, but I'll most likely put it on a skirt. I'm just saying. Let me brainstorm on that. That is so fun. Oh, look at the little Spider-Man. He's so cute. It's a magnet. How cute is that? So it's a magnet that I'll stick on my fridge. He's so cute. I love him. That's adorable. Okay, guys. So the grand finale for this bag is this Batman figurine. What? Guys, look. Oh, I'm expanding my Geeky Batman collection. I love it, love it, love it. I'm so excited. I have a really cool Optimus Prime from him. I did get a different Batman figurine from him. I'm happy to have more. This is super exciting. And I also have like a Wonder Woman. I have quite the collection building. It looks so awesome, guys. I totally love it. This is so fun. Ah! Okay, so now we'll go ahead and move on to the craft challenge from last month. I don't have them, but he gave me 12 little wooden blocks. And I was expected to make something out of them. Gotta say, guys, I was pretty stumped, and I'm not gonna lie, I did not finish my craft project until last night. I'm a last minute kind of girl, and I would do my best work under pressure, so I was under a lot of pressure with this one, and I love it. Chad, don't think that you are over challenging me. I love it, love it, love it. Keep firing them at me. I'm good. But I just couldn't figure out what I was gonna do with that one, and I knew I probably needed to wait till the last minute so that I could figure something really cool. I think I did something cool, but we'll have to see. So this is what Chad made with the little wooden blocks. Let's see what he came up with. This was a hard one, not gonna lie. And we're allowed to supplement and like add additional stuff. Oh, stop. I think... Oh, this is a dice game. I almost made a puzzle. I thought that's what this was. But he made a really cool dice game. So let's check this out. Hold on a second, guys. It says, hear me out on this one. I'm listening. Just saying. This is a quick and easy craft that anyone can do. Honestly, the wooden cubes are at your local store and are very cheap. I actually found more at the Dollar Tree because I did need more for my craft that I did. So I bought more of them. And I think I was like 24 in a pack for $1, okay? And you can use anything to glue paste tape on the wooden cubes. I got this idea because I own a dice game. It's a published dice game that you roll dice and whatever pictures appear, you have to tell a story. Well, that sounds super fun. Well, why not make your own game? You can cut out pictures, use stickers, old family photos. Oh, the photos is such a great idea. The sky is the limit. Anything flat or printed can be put on the cubes. Basically, you roll all the dice and make up a story using any or all of the dice. Again, the sky is the limit using your imagination. Well, that is super fun, guys. Let me show you some of the pictures that he put on his dice so that you guys can get an idea of what's going on. This is so incredibly fun. I love it. So, like, if you roll the dice, you have a little present. So you could tell a story about a gift you received or something like that. We have luggage, which could also be like travel. Then we have like, looks like a rocket. Are we shooting out of space like the billionaires? Maybe that's my dream. I'll be a billionaire one day. Okay, so then we have the sun, which is awesome. And this, if I turn it this way, we have music notes. So maybe you can sing a song. Oh, that's the luggage again. Oh, look, we have a duck though. That's cool. So he pasted all different kinds of pictures. So you would just roll these out. And whatever comes out, you have to create a story. That sounds like something that'd be really fun to play with the kids. And maybe I'll film some videos because the kids can tell some really funny stories. And this would be super fun to do with them. Great idea, Chad. Love it. Love it. I gotta say, I was super stumped. So what I came up with probably isn't as good. And because I'm getting ready for a craft show where I'm doing fall and Christmas crafts, I created a geeky Christmas tree. So I put Justice League stickers from one of Chad's boxes that he sent to me, and I just cut them the size of the squares, and I just Mod Podged them onto this crazy looking little tree. I thought this would be super cute for me to put on my desk that I have for work. I don't go to work anymore, but if I was physically at the office, this would also be great for that. And then I put this, that puffy paint that's glitter on the inside because I was trying to make it look a little more Christmassy. And quite frankly, guys, this needs touched up a little bit, and I will do that. But honestly, I'm pretty darn happy with the way that it turned out. And then I have one block at the very top here, and it has several different characters on it. I just picked the ones that I like the best, you know, and I put them at the top. So, guys, that's what I came up with the little blocks. I was stumped. I'm not going to lie. I was super stumped. So, let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Did you like Chad's game? Which I love Chad's game, and I can't wait to play it with the kids. You guys will probably see that in a future video. Or did you like my crazy Christmas tree? I'm just saying, I like Chad's game. My crazy Christmas tree is just that. Crazy. But at least I came up with something, guys. He sent me 12 of the blocks, and then I bought additional packs at the Dollar Tree, and they were only $1 for 24 blocks, okay? So this was a really cool craft. I just made it out of a paper towel roll, like I always do, and then just put all the blocks on there, okay? So that's what I came up with. That's what Chad came up with. Now, let's see what the challenge item is for next month, well, for this month that I'll show you next month. I kind of think I already know what it is. You guys know what this is. Let's see what he has to say about it. Let's open it up here. See what we got. Ha 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 ha. All right. So, ooh, it is Batman, which is awesome. Ooh. Possibilities are endless. Okay, so we have a Batman. Is it a comic book? Yeah. DC Comic Essentials comic book. Okay. This is the craft item this is the item for the craft challenge for this month. So I have a lot of ideas for comic books. Let's see what he has to say. So the craft challenge. Okay, Amber, you've been saying you should cut and craft with comics for a while now. I have been saying that. I'm just saying. So, you're being called out. This Batman comic is a freebie comic, so no hard feelings cutting this one up. Okay, so it was a freebie for him. All right, awesome. Restrictions, rules. No one can help you. Oh, no. You do not have to use this comic if you do not want to, but can use any comic to craft up an item. Okay. Due to upcoming work changes in August, I will not have extra time on my hands. Therefore, you have 2 months to come up with a craft idea. I apologize to no craft challenge item in the next box. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to have a couple of months. So I won't show you the results for this craft challenge until not next month, but the month after that. So I have 2 months to come up with a craft, but you guys know how I operate. I probably will wait till the last minute again. But truthfully, I do have a lot of ideas for comic books. So maybe if I have the time on my hands, I'll do a couple of different ideas to show you guys. Alright guys, that's all I got for you in this video. If you guys are interested in getting the Heroes Tower mystery box, I will have a link in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! I like to do fashion and craft DIYs. I'm out of breath. Okay. Catch my breath first and then try to do all that. So I will have the craft challenge results at the end of the unboxing. Yeah, good till then. Gotta do it all again. Awesome! As well as share my shoe collection, shopping hauls, and subscription boxes with you. If any of that is this is way off. And this piece of hair is driving me bonkers. Oh my gosh. Okay, try it again. So this one was already at the top of my list before he started throwing in this craft challenge. I shouldn't say he. I should say the owner or something like that. Ugh, again. This is a Geeky subscription box that you can find on Cratejoy. I will have a link in the description box below. No, do I want to say more than that? Maybe a little more. For those of you who are not familiar with the Heroes Tower subscription box, this is one that I got from Cratejoy. Wait. No. Okay. No.